Hey Android developers! If you use game engines to build immersive 3D experiences, you already know how much time it can take to optimize for a new platform. So today, we're talking about how Android XR is meeting you exactly where you are, with new tooling and support specifically for game engine developers. We've been hard at work expanding platform capabilities and support for the engines you use every day. Whether you're a Unity power user, an Unreal expert, or a Godot enthusiast, we have the tools, plugins, and frameworks to help you build apps with Android XR as seamlessly as possible. To start, let's talk about two new platform tools designed specifically to cut down on daily development friction and speed up your build cycles. First is the Android XR Engine Hub. Its direct preview feature streams device perception data, like hand meshes and spatial mapping, straight to your engine's editor. This eliminates the need to fully build your APK just to test out a minor change, which could save you hours of iteration time. Second, the Android XR Interaction Framework is now in developer preview for Unity. This framework handles the complex logic for multi-modal inputs, allowing seamless switching between controllers, hands, and eye-gaze interaction. Now, let's talk about what new support is available for game engines, starting with Unity. We've had full Unity support from day one, and we're continuing that momentum with the newest Android XR packages, now available for Unity 6.5. With these updates, you'll see new features like the expansion of support for application space work. This means you can now natively support spatial optimization for UGUI and Text Mesh Pro elements, allowing you to maintain a high frame rate even in complex scenes with heavy UI. On top of this, we also have the new Android XR Audio SDK for Unity, which brings you high-fidelity 3D spatial audio with Dolby Atmos support. Your sound can now realistically interact with the physical surfaces in a room, making your immersive environments feel truly alive. In addition to our existing support for Unity, we're also officially launching support for Unreal Engine and Godot. For Unreal developers, our new Android XR vendor plugin gives you immediate access to perception features like eye tracking, hand interaction, and depth textures. Android XR is built from the ground up as a Vulkan-first platform. So, to ensure the best possible performance, we recommend using the Mobile Forward Renderer and Vulkan for your Unreal projects. In the Godot ecosystem, the OpenXR Vendors plugin unlocks critical features like scene meshing and light estimation. One of the real standout features is that you can actually run the Godot editor itself directly on an Android XR device. This allows you to build, tweak, and test your project while still fully immersed in the environment. The pipeline is there, and the Android XR platform is ready for your apps. Whether you're building in Unity, Unreal, or Godot, you don't have to wait to start experimenting. All the necessary guides, packages, and samples are available on the developer website today. Head over to developer.android.com/xr to get started. Happy building!